So friends, if you have started SIP in PhonePe application, but now you want to change or modify SIP date, then this video is for you. I am going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open PhonePe application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, once the application is completely started, on the homepage itself, go down and look for mutual fund section. Select mutual fund, and over here, you need to select my portfolio option. Now in my portfolio, you can check out invested fund, and if you want to check out your SIP, you can simply tap on my SIP, and on this particular page, you can check out all your SIPs in which you have invested. Now in my case, there is only one SIP. So if you want to modify date for any particular SIP, then you have to select that SIP only. So after selecting the SIP, on the next page, you can check out basic details of your SIP, and you have to select modify option in order to make the changes. Now, once you tap on that modify option, you will get an 5-digit OTP on your mobile number. Just simply enter the OTP and select proceed option. Now, this is the main autopay setting page. Over here, there are two things which you can change. If you want to modify your SIP amount, you can do that as well. But if you want to only change your SIP date, then you have to select this debit option. So if I tap on this debit option, it will open calendar in front of me. Currently, I have selected 5th of each month as my SIP date. So if you want to change it, you can choose whichever date you want. In my case, I want to make it 7 for each month. And after selecting the date, don't forget to choose this select option. Now, before going ahead, always keep one thing in mind. If your next SIP date is within 1 or 2 days, then don't try to change anything. Once you have paid that particular SIP, after that you can change or modify the settings, because it might take 1 or 2 days to apply the changes. So it's always better to modify settings 1 week or 15 days before your actual date. So I have selected each and everything. Once everything is done, select save option or save changes option, and you will get a pop-up screen like this. Simply select confirm. Now you can see autopay modified successfully. So now 7th of every month will be my new SIP date. Earlier it was 5th of each month. Simply tap on done option and you are good to go. So this is how simple it is to modify or change SIP date in PhonePe application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.